Macau, these damn beautiful patios. Patio dos Velhos, Patio do Cravo. Loving these patios. I'm just waking the streets of Macau. These damn beautiful streets of Macau. Patio dos Velhos, Patio do Cravo.
Okay, this is a little Patio dos Velhos, and it starts with a small little park right in here, and then we also have these kind of cool looking architecture all the way down. Looks like even a little shrine. So we're gonna kind of give you a little context of where we are exactly, and then we're going to put it up on the map and walk down it and show you another slice of Macau for you. Patio dos Velhos. Up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so let me step back a tiny little bit and try to give you some context. So this one is Travessa the Pagoda, and it goes over to San Malo down that way. And this is just a little courtyard, patio, and you have a space in there for exercise. And then we also have all these kind of interesting buildings down here, so we're going to capture that. And there's also a shrine, a small temple. And I don't think I have filmed this here before, so we're going to try to give you a little context if we see anything interesting in here. And I think this shrine is one of the first ones that's pretty interesting. It's beautiful. So that kind of captures the feeling of our street right there. All these cages up there. Then we have these kind of older style apartments here. There's a flower pot up there. Those are kind of beautiful in their way. I wish they were painted yellow again. Back to a previous bright yellow color, it looked like they once were. Okay, so we're gonna follow it down, see what it brings us to. So I got some things growing up there. Patio dos Velhos. So yeah, kind of a cool little space. And it looks like now it goes into Patio do Cravo, so it looks like it actually goes into a different one. So our space is actually quite small. It's just only that space right here. And then this one is actually Cravo, which is this one right here. And I'm pretty sure I have filmed this one, but I don't really recall. But we're gonna walk down it and just kind of capture it all anyways. There's even a tree growing up there too. That's an interesting architecture. So that's that one style right there. These right here are storm guards. So they put these here because of the typhoons. So there was a big typhoon in 2017, and then they gave that out to the businesses. You got stuff up there too. Giant fan right there. Okay, Chinese New Year. So this Cravo is just kind of a small little street, but I don't think I've ever filmed it all the way down to the Velhos that I recall. But I definitely filmed this one, so I'm gonna connect that one to the last time I was here, and the last 2 times if I was that I filmed it, and we can see what I might have filmed with it before. But yeah, that's a nice little space. So that was our alley today. There's lots of other stuff around here too. That was the one that we did. And we're just gonna capture some other stuff around here. You can see what this little alley is in here. This little alleys. This is Baco's. Definitely filmed that before. Noodle shop. And there's actually a museum up here, so I'm gonna end probably by the museum. You can see. So yeah, museum. There, this is small picture trip here. Okay, so we're gonna go back out. And there's even a map here. This is the old Macau. It's a little bit different, and we reclaimed a lot of the land, so. Okay, so that was Velhos, and it was also Cravo. So we'll just head back to our street, and then we're gonna end it up there. There we go. Cravo. Patio de Cravo. We'll end it right there. Pretty cool. I like the look of that. Okay, Cravo.